Hello viewers, as you can see, we have Pokemon today. I got this for 20 bucks. And we also got another booster pack. So we have 5 packs in total. We also got this set. It's pretty new. So let's open, see how good we get. We got everything out and we got this baby. Big one, big boy. It's the size of my face. And then I found the big boy's baby. I found his baby. So now let's get into the booster pack. Now let's open the one that I bought, not the one that came with the set, the one that I bought. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Did I cut the card? No, I didn't. I was kind of got scared there. I'm like, did I cut the card? Did I? No, I did not. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay. Wait, what the heck is that? An EX? Yes, sir, I'm taking that. Okay. Oh, that's it. Well, we got an EX out of that. Now it's time to open this one. There. Open up. Get out. There. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put that in front. Okay. Ah, nothing good on that one. Now let's open this one. There. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh wait, what am I doing? Okay. Bruh. Well, what were these cards? Oh, these two. Bruh. Okay. Oh, I thought those were duplicates. Okay, let's get to the other one. Okay, let's check out this one. So let's check it out. Bruh. Dude, get out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Bro. Don't worry, we got one more pack. This time I'm not cutting it. Ooh. My nose. There. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Bruh. It was just with the one pack that I actually did buy that I got something good. Bruh. Well, I guess that's all for today, viewers. Peace. Ha, psych, you thought the video was over. Well, actually it is, but I forgot to do the outro. Peace.